Hi everyone, in this video I want to show you how to cover the riser in open side staircase. So this is the L-shaped corner you can buy in Home Depot. Very easy to do it. It just unfinished. You have to put finish. Also, this is the angle finder. Very nice tool. I just cut this part of this tool, and you can easily measure height of this riser. So first of all, you're using this angle finder to check the height. Then transfer this dimension to the wood corner, cut it, this wood corner, and install it with a nail gun. So for nailing, I am using 23 gauge nailer. It's really pin nailer. It's really good tools. You can't see any holes. You see, very easy to fit. Also, in Home Depot you can buy a marker, color marker. There is a few colors. So, like for example, this is the dark brown staircase. There you can buy walnut color, or if you have red color, you can buy mahogany pencil. Just paint the ends, because when you cut this corner, you will see some not colored parts. So better use pencil. So corner, nail gun, nails, angle finder, and marker you can find in Home Depot. So all material and tools in one store. So you see, I'm using a 23 gauge nailer. Very easy to nail it. This corner very helpful if you're not making flush side of the riser with outside staircase. So if very easy cover some gaps, not straight riser cutting, just cover with this corner. I hope this video was very helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video. All links to the tools or materials you can find in description for this video.